Hello, this is a message from Anonymous. I know not why you may be watching this, although I'm glad you are here. As you may know, Anonymous is growing day by day at an alarming rate. Although this is welcomed, we must all hold on to why we are here. I for one can honestly say I am not here for hero worship, nor am I seeking any in return. I am not here to feel powerful or in control. I am here because I fully and honestly believe we can change this world together. We all see these problems happening on an endless scale. For those who have been watching our world through the passing years, anonymous or non-anonymous, can accept one thing. This world is in dire need of positive change. If we follow the path we have laid out before us, everyone can summarize the possible outcomes, none of which seem good enough to give to the future generations of this world. I understand how hard it is to accept the many things and powers that are trying to conspire against us. From the stripping of personal freedoms to the rampant corruption, to the growing environmental damage that all of us are contributing to on a daily basis. Corporations will not conduct themselves in a safe and respectful manner if we do not demand it. Governments will take our liberties if we don't cherish them. And this world will continue to worsen if we don't stop it. Anonymous seeks to make a difference. No matter what major news media portray, they make us out to be terrorists, radicals, children, or would like to pretend we don't even exist. Governments preach about justice, fairness and equal freedom for all. One minute we are a joke to laugh at. The next we are labeled the utmost importance to national security. The media tells you that leaders of Anonymous and members are apprehended. We would like to remind you all, there are no leaders. We do not centralize from one area. We have no targets, only outcomes. Do you really think the governments and corporations don't understand what we are trying to accomplish here? They understand more than possibly some members of Anonymous. Why do you think they go out of their way to shine negative images of us? They want you to believe we are wrong and they are right, instead of allowing yourselves to make that decision. They understand more than anyone else the corruption they have done. And it wasn't by mistake they managed to hide it from us. Anonymous users of the internet, for better or for worse, we are at war. There are no bystanders. There are no safe havens. As long as draconian regimes and oppressive authorities exist, the freedom of information, and in turn, your freedom to do as you wish on the internet, is threatened. However, this is a war that Anonymous is winning. Copyright holders tried to take down peer-to-peer file-sharing sites. They failed and continue to fail. Self-important officials in the United States government attempted to silence WikiLeaks. They failed on a colossal scale worthy of ridicule for many years to come. Behind all of these recent outstanding events lurked Anonymous, lending a helping hand when possible, causing problems where it mattered the most, and amassing lulls the entire time. Corporations and states continue to find themselves incapable of stemming the coming tide of social change brought about by the internet. Each and every one of you are shaking this system to its core. Leaders are nervous and scared. Whether you're doing it for the good of mankind, doing it for the lulls, or a healthy balance of both, you're bringing about change only dreamed of in fiction. I am merely remarking on my perspective of our current situation and not remarking as the speech to be taken as the word of Anonymous. Perspective is what allows us to decide how we see things, how we judge, how we love, how we feel for one another. We must start to change our perspective of how we see this world. One does not need to possess my ideology, nor am I trying to force it upon you. Rather, I'd like for you to develop your own. Regardless if it falls into the same category as mine or another's, it is still your own. To the corruption in this world, know this. We encourage you to continue waging your informational war against truth at great expense to you and at no cost to us. We approve of these conditions, because within them defeat is impossible. Our campaign has been one of constant success, and yours has been one of constant failure. This will continue. Evidence of our victory is everywhere. Defections at every level of your organizations will continue to increase. Sooner or later you will most likely experience the cognition that every action we take deprives you of at least one of the three following things: capital, clients and credibility. These conditions will continue to exert their pressure upon you and your superiors. The disorder will continue to deepen. Growth of the magnitude required to maintain your organizations in their present form is no longer possible for you. Your ability to seduce the public has been destroyed. Your survival has long depended on your capacity to suppress the truth of your abuses, and that ability is now gone. And now the world is listening to us and watching you. The mechanism behind the phenomenal ease with which we have achieved this is simple. We are speaking the truth. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.